Introduction to Textual Scholarship, Genre, and Source Studies. Dear students, as discussed earlier, we are planning to introduce you to some of the tips and techniques which you can use for your research works in literature, so that you can have some ideas how to evaluate, how to examine your research works, and to go for your research interest in the area of literature, right? So in this session, we are going to talk about the points which are related to the textual analysis, particularly of a literary work, right? So what is textual analysis, and how can we evaluate text, and how would we be examining the source behind any literary work, and then the genre, the kind of literature, and to evaluate them from these prospects, and then to comment on various literary works, right? So that's actually the aim of this session. Regarding the literature, and particularly while the textual scholarship of literature, we are required to think about three fundamental questions. And if we evaluate these fundamental questions, then we would be working in the textual scholarship regarding any particular piece of literature, right? So question number one is that do we have an accurate version of what we are studying, right? So that is actually related to the version of a piece of literature. That what version of the text we are evaluating, what version of it is available to us, and it is based on what version of the text which was intended by the author, right? So when we are just exploring this question, that what version, what accurate version is available to us, and is it really the accurate version? Is it the text which was prepared and which was written and intended by the author? So if we are exploring this question, then we are particularly interested in the textual scholarship, as the phrase reflects. The objective in such kind of question is that we are exploring the version of text, right? That what is the health of the text, right? So is it the accurate version? Is it the appropriate, the exact version which was intended by the author, right? So when we are answering this question, and for that sake we are just exploring a particular text, then we would be surveying the piece of literature from textual scholarship point of view, right? Then the second question is that what are we dealing with? So this what kind of literature it is, right? So what are we dealing with? So what's the kind of that particular genre of literature which we are exploring, and with which we are just evaluating and examining, experimenting actually, to see that what's the nature of that genre, and what kind of particular features of that particular genre are aided and they are highlighted by the author, right? So when we are answering this question, that what are we dealing with, right? So this what, which is related to the kind of the piece of literature under exploration, that is the genre studies. Then we are actually doing our research in the area of genre. It could be like a comedy, or tragedy, poetry, novel, film, movie, right? So what is that which you are exploring, which you are actually studying, and then what features of a very stereotypical or prototypical genre are found in that particular piece under examination, right? So that's the kind of question which is explored by researchers when they are answering this question, that what are we dealing with? And then while you are exploring that particular genre, the kind of literature, then you are required to explore it from a classical definition point of view, or if there is any kind of innovation, there is some sort of addition by the author, then you can further explore and comment on it, right? So that's question number two, which is under this genre studies title, right? And if you explore the third question, which is did earlier writings help this work come into being, right? So this is simply related to the source of that particular piece of literature. That was the piece of literature you are exploring based on something else which earlier existed, right? So that's actually about the genesis or like the source of that particular piece of literature, right? So under this question number 3, you are exploring the piece of literature from source studies point of view, right? So these 3 questions are basically, the orientation of a particular researcher when you are evaluating the particular text, the particular kind of piece of literature, and then you are exploring it from these 3 questions point of view. Number 1, that the version, that is it the accurate version which was intended by the author, right? So and what version is available right now? So the earlier versions, what happened to them? So you can comment on the health of the text which is with you, which is available to you, and which is under your research study, right? And the second is when you are dealing with the features of a particular genre in literature, right? Like exploring a work from comedy point of view, that what features of a comedy are found there. Then what are the features which are found as a particular type of poetry? Like, is it an epic, right, or an ode, right, or a lyric, right? So you would be exploring those particular features in your piece of literature which is under study. And in the last question, you are actually commenting on those influences, those sources and allusions which actually worked at the background of that piece of literature which is under examination. So these 3 questions, and whenever you address these 3 questions, you are actually working into this phrase, textual scholarship.